welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. This is an exciting video. I'm going to show you how I style my locks. They are longer than waist length, I would say, you know, booty length. They're a little long, y'all, but how I style them without using any hair tools. You know, this is the best part about braids, honestly. Braids, locks, any type of protective style is that you can switch up your style without having to have like scrunchies, bobby pins, and all of that jazz. So you're able to do it really quick. Anyways, if this is your first time here, guys, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, tippity tap the bell, give me a like, throw a comment down there, share this with your grandma. You know, let the videos just disperse among everybody that you know. We're trying to build a community here, a community, okay? If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. So yeah, we're gonna just jump right in because I'm gonna just kind of wing the styles and show you guys what I've been doing lately. Love ya. So this is not going to be a talk through video. It's going to just be you watching me do my hair and throw it up in different styles. The main thing that you want to know is that you're actually just using your locks or your braids, whatever protective braided style that your hair is in. You're going to be using the actual locks as your scrunchie. So I always use two pieces. If you see me pull out two pieces of hair, just know I'm pulling one from each side and I'm always crossing them over. So if I was to be taking two pieces from the front, I mean, it's always from the back, but if I was to be taking two pieces, like say these two pieces right here, I would just be crossing them over so that I'm able to tie it better. It just makes it a lot more secure that way. So yeah, that's the only thing. Let's just jump straight right in. All right, guys, that's literally all I could think of on the top of my head. These are literally the styles that I just like quickly do, and I be looking ready to go. Like, look at me, Nubian queen. I cannot take it. I'm literally obsessed. Like, I'm gonna be so sad when I have to take these out because I feel like they are me and I am she, you know. Anyways, guys, so if you have any questions about my hair, what I'm doing to it, what's going on, any products, I really just be letting it kind of do its own thing. It's so long that at this point redoing my roots and everything is just not an option, so I'm gonna just let them grow out as much as I can handle it. As long as it's not applying too much tension to my actual roots, then I'm gonna just leave them in. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed this. Love you. Bye.